How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and start by recording a quick video. Just a few seconds is enough. Tap the record button to do that. Once you've recorded your short video, tap on the small plus icon. Then choose the import media option. This will open up your camera roll where you can select the video you want to send as a snap. Pick the video you have saved on your device. Now, here's the important part. Go back and tap on the video you originally recorded, then hit the delete icon to remove that clip. Confirm the deletion by tapping delete clip. At this point, only your selected media from the gallery will remain. You can now preview it, make edits like adding filters, stickers, text, or even music just like any normal snap. Once you're happy with it, tap Send to, choose the friends you want to send it to, and hit Send. Now head over to your chat screen to confirm it shows up just like a normal snap, even though it was from your camera roll. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.